Welcome back to part 2 of the eyes of driving test route. Today we're going to show you the eyes of driving test routes on the roundabouts. We're going to show you how to deal with the roundabouts. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go to our channel FM Driving School as well as our site fmdrivingschool.co.uk where you can get loads more tips in how to pass your driving test, what driving examiners look out for, and how to impress that driving examiner as well as passing your theory test. If you want to see other driving test areas, go to our channel FM Driving School. So now let's get back into our students' driving test route here, where we're going to go through the roundabouts, and it's actually one of the harder test routes here.
You follow the signs towards, like in this case it will be 3 looks like, or Staines. Can you see second exit?
Yeah.
It might make you follow the signs as well. So M3 is Staines, which is the second exit. There's a 2 bars. As we get closer, we have to react to the traffic anyway. Brake harder, yeah. Good. So look at the lane markings. Tell me which lane is yours. Let's see if you can see it.
The central lane.
Central lane, good. Check our right mirror quickly. Slight movement to stay in the center. Brake a bit. You're in gear 2. Stay in gear 2. And then tell me what you're going to do from here.
Because you take a second exit, you go past this and you move to the left lane.
Okay, check our left mirror. Good, good. And then move back in. Yes. And follow the shape. Check our left mirror one more time. You could indicate. If you don't, it's cool. You don't get faulted for it because we're already in the lane itself. Once you're in, gradually build up your speed. Do check your mirrors, all of your mirrors. And then again, we're going to do another roundabout. This is actually one of the harder parts of the routes in the driving test.
Yeah.
Let's do it. So the examiner will probably say to you, come off the slip road and then take the 4th exit on the roundabout. So that's one of the test routes, and it's actually one of the hardest routes. So can you see the slip road yet?
I mean, the sign for it, yeah.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. So as you get closer, what do you need to do? Let's see.
Mirror signal.
Yeah, good. Go on, yeah, wicked.
And because we're taking the 4th exit, we'll stay on your right.
Yeah, you can make that decision. Let's just stay on the left side and pretend that you didn't know where the area is.
Okay.
So cancel the indicator. You're on the left lane. The examiner might re-say to you, can you take the 4th exit? So you're on the left lane, what would you do?
Check your mirrors.
Good, and then?
Clear and then.
Indicate, and move across. So cancel indicator and stay there. And then as you get closer to the roundabout,
You slow down the speed.
okay. What's the routine though? Do the routine. Yeah, mirrors, and then?
Signal.
Good. You signal 6 to 8 cars length. Brake, yeah, excellent. Excellent gear
gear
change. You're gear 2, yes, absolutely, yeah.
The car stops, probably go down to gear 1.
Yeah, wicked. Follow the shape if you can. Is it clear?
No.
Excellent, so wait. Find the biting point, be ready. Yeah, can we go?
Yes. Ooh, mega car coming
Yeah,
up.
change your mind, no worries. Is there a gap? Yeah? If you're quick enough?
Yeah.
Okay, you're not quick enough? We'll wait.
After this car, there should be a gap.
Let's see. So yeah, when the chances come, you do have to be a bit quicker to move off. So now we're waiting for a long time, but in this situation there's no chances to go, so that's
Yeah.
fine. Like now, is there a gap? Can you be quick? No, it's
okay.
fine, you can't be, it's alright. So sometimes when you're doing big roundabouts, you have to be able to change your mind like you're doing. We think you're not going, but then they're coming a bit too fast, we change our mind. But here, there's another little gap maybe. But that back's really quick, and that car's coming quite quick again. Touch a bit higher, let the car shake slightly. Yeah. Right now, no chance in the left side. Go in here.
After this car.
Yeah, there's a little gap. Touch a bit higher. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good. Inside lane. Excellent. Yeah. Are you counting the exit?
1.
Yeah. Which one's this?
Is it 2?
2, yeah. Speed up a little bit more. Be a bit faster because you're in a big roundabout. Which one's this?
Is it 3? As we go past 3.
But slowly, yeah, indicate, yeah. Good mirror checks, and slowly merging.
Yeah,
And keep going, don't stop, keep going slowly. It's your priority. Yeah, good. Left lane, left lane, left lane, left lane. Excellent. And can you see the speed sign on the corner though, on the far corner? Should be a bit more
30,
here, the center base 30, yeah. Now stay here, go to the correct gear please. Check your mirrors. What speed is the road?
30.
Make sure you're at 30. Stay at 30. Slow down a bit. But that was quite a hard roundabout. There was hardly any chances to go. If you're waiting for a long time because there's no chances, wait for this guy. It's completely fine. Don't feel pressured that I'm waiting too long. In your case, there was no chances. There was 1 or 2 half chances. If you're quicker, you could have made it.
Yeah, but I wasn't trying to risk it. I guess I was really
That's fine. If you're not sure, you don't risk it. Wait a bit, yeah. And look ahead. There's something in the way, so slow down. There's a big van. Indicate right nonetheless. Touchdown. Going to get into a bit slow. Is there a gap?
Yeah.
Go on, then make the move. And then cancel the indicator. And we're going to actually stay on the right lane if we can, because we do want to turn right the traffic lights. Not this traffic light, the second set, sorry, the second set. And then we're going to finally end with this crossroad, and this crossroad can be quite tricky as well. Stop here, don't get too close to the vehicle. When it's longer, you have to be further back, okay? Because they won't be able to see us on the side mirrors. Then as I said, the next hardest part is this crossroad. It's really tricky. You're going to see why. There's not actually an extra set of traffic lights, so we won't be able to see when the lights changes if you're in the middle of the road. Touchdown and brake. Brake. Stay here. So on crossroads, who has priority?
The people on the coming towards.
Yeah, oncoming cars.
Yeah.
So look far ahead. There's not enough space for you to sit in the middle, is there?
Yes, please.
So yeah, we're gonna wait behind the line. Stay here. If the lights changes, we're all right. We just stay here. And look at those two, they have to now go. They're in the middle. They have to go because the cars on the far left and right are now coming out.
Yeah.
It's a long video, so it's going to take time, but look, they're coming out now. But we're alright, we're safe, we're behind the line. That's it. So we just have to follow the arrows, telling you to wait, slightly to the right, touchdown, a bit more left, a bit more right now, yeah. Put the indicator back on, handbrake up, feet to the gas, be ready. Now had they been extra set of traffic lights, we'll know when they're stopping. We're going to have to guess or see it. Touch a bit high, be ready, be at the biting point. Touch higher please, with the car shakes slightly. Higher, 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 be ready. Higher, higher, come on. Higher, higher, higher. There, that's you ready. Look how low it was. Is there a gap?
Yeah.
A bit tight, yeah. It's 50-50, you don't have to go. Better that you wait. Flash higher, look, is he stopping?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, make the full man. Slowly, yeah. Good, yeah, and slowly. Good. And turn back, excellent. And then check your mirrors. So that's how you do crossroads.
So that's actually one of a test route. It's an exact test route that you might be taking on. A student does ask a really interesting question, which we're going to show you in a bit. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go to our channel fmdrivingschool.co.uk. We've got loads more tips in how to pass your driving test and how to pass your theory test. So this is an example of a test route. We showed you a few different ways of approaching a roundabout. There's more test routes out there as well. So do watch our other videos on our channel FM Driving School. Let's just show you now a question that a student asked, which is a very important question that you might be also thinking about.
So what happens in the roundabout we saw earlier, where there's maybe the left and the middle lane split into two separate lanes?
Yeah.
And you're on the left lane. What would you do?
Oh, okay, so you didn't see the arrows.
Yeah, and you stay on the left
and
lane.
you're on the left lane now.
Exactly.
Break. So there's two things you do. Either you didn't see the arrows, and you're on the left lane and you go straight. Yeah. And you'd fall straight away because that left lane goes left only.
Okay.
But say you're on the left lane and you clocked on. Oh yeah, I realize now. Oh, now I'm in the wrong lane. The first thing I'll do is tell the examiner so that he knows what your intentions are. I'll say, sir, I'm in the wrong lane. I'm thinking now, do you know what, I'm going to go left. I'm going to check my mirrors, indicate left and go left. That's the first thing. Because you want the examiner also to be on board and know your intentions, know what's happening. You don't want them to lose control of the test itself. So is that clear?
Makes sense.
The examiner might say to you, because he now knows you know what you're doing, he might realize, okay, there's a gap for you to move back into the center and then to carry on with the test route. Then they might say, you know what, you just indicate right and go back into the test to the center and go straight.
Okay,
Break a bit, break. Go down to gear. Go straight.
So that's, I guess, at the discretion of the examiner.
Yes. Or the other option is, you said that to him, you said, sir, I'm in the wrong lane, what should I do? He might say, do whatever you want. So now he's giving you the chance to make that fall. He's watching to see, are you going to go straight?
So you should go left?
Yeah, you have to go left now, because
Yeah,
you're on the left lane. It goes left only, you indicate left and go left. So in that situation, they're actually trying to see or find the fault in you. Are you going to make that major fault? But if the examiner decides, okay, you're sharp enough, you realize you're in the wrong lane, you might then decide, you know, I want to stay on the test route, let's just cut back across and go. So I've seen both of the situations happen. Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
And say, I don't know, you're driving, once you're past, hopefully, you would always recommend maybe just going left, or
So again, it can depend. If it's completely clear and you feel that it's safe to cut back across, you can indicate move back across. If not, just better to just check your mirrors and indicate left and go left.
Okay.
And then just reroute, just come back around, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there you have it. I'm sure you students have more questions that you're thinking of. Comment below or go to our site FM Driving School and give us a message and we'll try to respond to it. Don't forget to go to our channel for more videos on how to pass your theory test and your driving test.